In this video, I'm going to show you how to accept a substitute teaching job using the Tagg web application. So first, we'll go to subs.taggeducation.com and log in. And here on my calendar, I can see jobs I've been offered represented by the yellow days on the calendar. So if I click one of those days, I can see details about the job, including the school, the teacher, the pay rate, the subject. And if it were a multi-day job, all the dates would be listed in that table. So I'm going to accept this job, so I click the green accept button, and now the job is mine. So that's how you accept using your calendar, and I wanted to show you one other way to accept in the app. So if we go over here to the left to the Jobs tab and click that, this will load a table of all of my jobs in Tagg. So if I search for this table for jobs that have been offered, meaning they're offered to me, not picked up by anyone else, I can see any of those jobs. And if I click the table row, I can see details about the job again, including the description, whether or not it was a favorite. This red decline button is what I would hit if I knew I didn't want the job and just wanted to clean up my jobs table. But we're going to accept again. So I click that. And now if I search my jobs table by not just offered jobs, but all jobs, I can see both of those jobs that we just accepted listed there. And that is how you accept a job in-app as a Tagg substitute teacher.